This is a Panasonic SE840 stereo system consisting of this SD84 AM/FM stereo radio and phonograph and these cylindrical SD84 speakers. Everything works great on it. One issue with the radio is that the dial doesn't line up with the station number. Tunes in fine, stereo indicator lights working, but just needs an alignment, and I don't have the proper equipment or tools for that. The phonograph changer mechanism has been disassembled. All the hardened grease has been cleaned out off the bearings and pivot points, the cam gear, and re-lubed, and it's working just great now. All the controls have been shot with some deoxit, so there's no staticky noise. Now I've noticed this with several older phonographs, is that the cartridge will start to get a little bit weak in one channel. In this case it's the left channel, but that's all that's needed to balance it perfectly. So still a lot of life left in that cartridge.